come and get it. It's mealtime at 23-year-old Palestinian Zahid Samak's home in the Saudi capital of Riyadh. This makeshift animal shelter is a project he started when he was a schoolboy, disheartened to see so many strays. He made it his mission to improve animal welfare in the Mideast nation, setting aside 3/4 of his monthly paycheck to care for them and send a message to the West.
I want to make people in the West know that we as people, as Muslims, do not kill animals and do not seek destruction, and we are not terrorists. On the contrary, if we were terrorists, it would be impossible that we help the animals.
He even has a small clinic for sick or injured animals and says he wants to raise awareness about animal adoption and discourage animal abuse.